Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these things we have already done. All of you know how to open MS Excel? How many ways are there to open MS Excel? Shortcut way, you know?
Two.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shortcut is
Yes,
right
ma'am.
click
Yes.
of your, put the cursor on your desktop, right
And
click of your
and
mouse.
new.
You will get the new option. From there you have to choose Excel, and the same will work for Word also, same will work for PowerPoint also. Okay, for all the MS Office package. And the latest version of MS Office is Office 365. And the next step is to open step by step. Let me admit few more students. Yes. And the step-by-step process is you have to click in this start button of your computer, then you have to click on program, and after that you have to choose Office folder, and from there you can choose Excel. Yes. And you know the third way, the third shortcut way to open Excel. I'm not talking only Excel. Excel means you can open Word also directly. You can open PowerPoint also. Yes. Any one of you know any other method to open Excel?
मैम डायरेक्ट सर्च करके.
Yes, that means there is a search now. This is run command. So directly if you will write here MS Excel now, so then also you will open the MS Excel spreadsheet. Okay, good. So now, so this you know how to open Excel, and we have done all these things, so I'm not going to repeat it. Okay, any doubt in any of this? Name box, office button, formula bar, active cell, column headings, row headings, sheet tips. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. And you know what is the main, what do you mean by ribbon? Below the title bar, all that options which comes menu bar and that standard format toolbar, that are known as what? Ribbons. You know vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar and zoom controls. Yesterday we have not discussed this, isn't it? Yes. So I'm minimizing my PowerPoint presentation. I'm just opening one Excel sheet, and then we will do it practically. Students, you are requested to mute your mics, please. So this Excel sheet is opening. Please mute your mic. It's taking time to.
Kiran, mute yourself, please.
Okay, now all of you just look here. You can see my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So beta, this you can see the position of
Yes.
cursor. This is known as what? Vertical scroll bar. That means if you want to move your spreadsheet up and down, then you can use vertical scroll bar. This is known as what? Vertical scroll bar, where I have placed the position of my cursor. This one. Okay. बेटा किसी का माइक म्यूट नहीं है, please. So this is known as what? Vertical scroll bar. And now see the position of the cursor in the screen. This is known as what? Horizontal scroll bar. So you can move your sheet left and right. And from vertical scroll bar, you can move your sheets up and down. Got my point? And who is this?
गाइस म्यूट करो खुद को.
Beta, please mute yourself. I have given permission to all of you to admit. 3 students are still waiting. So the vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar are clear to you. This one is what? Vertical scroll bar, and this is your horizontal scroll bar. And there is a button, you can see it, 100% is written over there. This is for zooming. That means if you want to zoom your screen, you can zoom like this. Is that clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
What I
Yes,
am
ma'am.
doing here, from
Yes,
here, I am
ma'am.
zooming my screen. So this is known as zoom control. This is known as zoom control. Again, these function will remain same in Word also and in PPT also. So from here you can minimize it. From here you can maximize it. Okay. So let me check. Anyone is waiting? No. So I think now these vertical scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar and zoom controls are clear to all. Okay. Now next we will go cell. We have done yesterday. I have shown it you practically also. Okay, what is the cell and what do you mean by active cell, or you can say working cell. Row header. Row header means the numbering which we have given to rows 1, 2, 3, 4. That is all by default. It is already in your MS Excel sheet. And row headings, column headings are A, B, C, D. Yes, we are just revising what we have done in previous class. Now sheet tab. We have done how to change the name of sheet tab. Yes. These are what?
Yes,
Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet
Yes,
3.
ma'am.
These are known as sheet tabs. If you want to rename it, again, you have to right click and you have to choose option rename, and then you can write your name. Whatever name you want to give your sheet, you can write it over here. Okay, like this. Click on this. Then here rename option will come, and from here you can give any name. Suppose I want to give ABC. So this will come. Okay. So now again come to the point. Sheet tab is clear. Next is workbook. We have done by default. MS Excel will open workbook, and in Word by default it will be open as a document. Okay.
Document.
Now for opening new file, as I have already told you that there is an office button at the left top corner of your Excel sheet. From there you can choose file. From here you can choose file option. Then you can click on new. You are getting this option, beta? New. All of you can see my cursor.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
when
Yes,
you
ma'am.
click here new, so what will happen? You have to select this blank workbook. So another workbook will open. I am not opening it because it will take time, and I have already opened Excel sheet. Okay. And suppose if you want to open your existing workbook, you are not trying to create a new workbook. जैसे आपने 2 days पहले Excel में जो भी work किया, you have saved it. Now, if you want to open it, so you have to click in open. So what will happen? It will give you the file names here. These are my Excel sheet. Whatever sheet you want to open, you have to select it and you have to click it. So what will happen? The existing worksheet will open. So I think this is clear to all. Okay. And one more thing, that there is a shortcut for this. Shortcut is Control+N. When you will, you have your Excel sheet. Yes, you will press Control+N. So what will happen? New worksheet will open. Now you can see the name, Book 1 Excel. Yes. Students,
Yes,
I'm not
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta. If
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
any problem, you are free to ask, because this you should know. Each and every step you should know. Otherwise, you will face problem while doing your assignment work. Okay. So again, I am pressing Control+N. You just look at the title bar. Okay. I am pressing Control+N. So what happened? What is visible to you?
Book 2.
Change in name.
Book 2.
Book 2. Change in
Book
name,
two.
nahi beta.
Two.
The new worksheet is opened. दैट इज द शॉर्टकट की. मैंने क्या कहा है कि आपको कंप्यूटर में यू शुड नो द शॉर्टकट कीज. तो उससे आपकी जो स्पीड है वो बहुत फास्ट हो जाएगी. आई हैव ओपन, इफ आई विल प्रेस कंट्रोल एंड टुगेदर, बोथ द कीज टुगेदर. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ कंट्रोल प्रेस किया एंड आफ्टर दैट यू आर लीविंग कंट्रोल बटन एंड यू आर प्रेसिंग एन. सो कंट्रोल एन अगेन आई हैव प्रेस. सो नाउ व्हिच वर्कशीट इज ओपन? Book number
Book
3.
3, a new.
True.
This is the
Book number
new. Okay. So in this way, you can create new worksheet. I have closed all that. Okay. Done, because our worksheet name is what? Demo. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then come to the next point. You know how to save it? Okay. Who will tell me what is the shortcut way to save? That is control plus S.
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 So if
Control
you want to save it, then you can
plus S.
press. Very good. Control plus S.
Control
Otherwise,
plus.
the process will remain again same. You have to click in File. Then you have to click in Save. Okay. Save. You know what is the difference between save and save as? Can any one of you tell me the
Yes,
difference
ma'am.
between the save
Yes,
and
ma'am.
save as? Yes, please.
Yes.
सेव का मतलब क्या
Yes.
होगा? सेव का
Ma'am.
मतलब क्या होगा? हमने
Beta,
जो सेव की है वहाँ होगी
sorry
वो.
to disturb you, beta. Listen, you just tell me your name. So in this way, I will get to know. Okay? अपना name बोल के
This
you
is
can give answer.
This is Ankit, ma'am.
Okay, अंकित बोलिए.
सेव का मतलब क्या होगा? हमने एक बार जहाँ सेव किया है उसके ऊपर ही सेव होगा अपडेट्स. और सेव एस क्या होगा? वो फाइल ऐसे रहेगी और किसी और जगह वो नया सेव होगा.
नया सेव नहीं, यू कैन क्रिएट अ न्यू फाइल. जो आपका एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल है ना, आप उसको नए नेम पे भी सेव कर सकते हो विद द हेल्प ऑफ विच फंक्शन? सेव एज. दैट इज क्लियर. जैसे
हाँ, मतलब वो
suppose,
दोनों.
जैसे सपोज अभी हमारा नेम किससे सेव है? डेमो से सेव है. इफ आई नाउ आई वांट टू सेव द सेम फाइल, द सेम मैटर विद सम डिफरेंट नेम, so what I will do, I will choose save as option. Then what will happen? The screen will come, it will
Change the
ask you
name.
about the file name that we have to write. Here it is written demo, but now I
Okay.
don't want to give demo name. I want to give some different name, but the matter should be same. So in this way, after writing some different name, I will click on save. So what will happen? The same file will saved in your desktop with different name. So I think it's clear to all.
Different name.
Okay, beta?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we will move to next. And what is the shortcut? I want my student use all the shortcut keys. ठीक है? You should know the step-by-step process. That is very good. But whenever you are doing some work now, so you should use shortcut keys. Okay? So for saving, you can directly press Control plus S. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think now all these things are clear to you. First one is what? Title bar. And all these things you are getting. All these your standard toolbar, formatting toolbar. ये सब इन सबको हम क्या कहते हैं? These are known as ribbons. These are known as what? Ribbon. And this we have done name box.
Ribbon.
Whenever you will select any cell, that particular address will come in this name box. And this is what? Your formula bar. Whatever you will write, it will display on your formula bar. And any cell, that this one is the active cell. Rest of the cells are not active. Why this cell is active? Because it is highlighted. Okay, clear? And these are column headings, these are row headings, these are
Yes,
tabs,
ma'am.
and the bottom bar is known as the status bar. Bottom bar को हम क्या कहते हैं? Status bar. And I
Status.
showed you the zoom control also. है ना? Zoom control बताया था कैसे यूज करते हैं. If you want to maximize और आपको zooming in, zooming out करना है, तो you can do your sheet. Sometime क्या होता है, हमने कोई data feed किया, अब हमें उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा, तो हम उसको zoom out करके clearly देख सकते हैं कि yes, we have entered the correct data. Okay? और ये सब नेम है. क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार आपको मैंने बताया था कि सेव के लिए फ्लॉपी साइन बना है, कट के लिए देखिए सिजर बना है, पेस्ट के लिए आपके पास ये साइन बना है. सो दीज आर व्हाट? These are the shortcuts. Okay? Now come to your definition. अगर आपसे कोई पूछेगा कि someone is waiting in lobby, let me check. Yeah, 3 students are waiting. Ankita, Brutti, let me admit them. बेटा प्लीज ज्वाइन योर क्लास इन टाइम, ओके, अदरवाइज आप बहुत सारी ऐसी छोटी छोटी ट्रिक्स है वो मिस आउट हो जाएंगे आपसे, ओके। So now what is this spreadsheet? So how you will define a spreadsheet, beta? It is a software. You can say it is a software. You can say it is a program which we use for mainly for calculation purpose. That means for number purpose. Okay. And then workbook is what? It is a basic file. Whenever you open a file, workbook will open. So workbook is what? Workbook is the basic file in MS Excel. और अगर आप वर्ड की बात करेंगे तो वर्ड में क्या आएगा? डॉक्यूमेंट इज द बेसिक फाइल इन वर्ड. So got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
और बेटा जिसका पॉसिबल है, if you don't have any network issue, then you can switch on your camera because it will be easy to communicate with you people. Okay. So now we will come to next. That is worksheet. Yesterday, day before yesterday, what I have told you that now in the Excel 2013, what happened? Only one worksheet by default will come. Otherwise, जितने भी previous version थे तो उसमें कितनी आती है worksheet? 3 होती है by default. But there is no restriction कि that you cannot add more than 1,000 number of sheets you can add in a particular workbook. Got my point? ऐसा नहीं है कि 1 ही आप कर सकते हो, आप कितने भी नंबर according to your data, according to your requirement, you have to click this plus sign. So what will happen? Sheets will added like this. Number of sheets you can add. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So we have done this point. Now cell, you know, cell is the intersection of row and column. As we have done it, B5 क्या होगा? किसका एड्रेस होगा? Yes, who will tell me? B5 will be the
Column B
address
or
of
row 5.
which
Row 5 and
row?
column B.
Which row?
5th row.
And
Fifth row.
which column?
B row. B column.
Good, good. Now today we will do about how to enter data in MS Excel. अभी तक हमने सारी बेसिक चीजें पढ़ी. That is very important. क्योंकि अगर आपको बेसिक चीजें ही हैंडल करना नहीं आएगा, then it will be very difficult for you people to work in numbers and formulas and functions. Okay. So now, which type of data you can enter in MS Excel, that we will study today. So you can enter number also, you can enter text also, you can enter formula also. Okay, so first we will come back to the sheet. Okay, now suppose if I want to enter data, so what should I do? Who will tell me? If I want to start entering data, so what is the first step? Okay, look at here.
To select the cell.
Yes, first of all, you have to select the cell wherever you want to enter your data. Suppose I want to enter data here. So I have selected this cell. Now I can start writing whatever I want to write. Got it? Suppose I want to enter data here. So what I will do, I will select this cell and then I will start writing. So wherever you want to enter your data, you have to select that cell. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
And how you have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
delete it?
Yes.
Simply, you have to select that cell. Now I want to delete this data. So I will put what I will click backspace, or you can use delete key also.
Back.
Okay, backspace and delete key. There are 2 keys. So from there you can remove your data. So I think now it's clear how to enter data and how to delete data. ये तो clear है सबको कि हमें data कैसे enter
Yes,
करना
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
तो फिर wherever you want to enter your data, you have to select that cell, and after that this cursor will come. You can start entering your data. If you want to delete your data, select that cell and press what you will press, backspace or delete anything. Okay. Now second thing is that suppose we have written time table. That you know now what is the function of caps lock, how you have to write in capital letters and small letters. आता है ना बेटा आप लोगों को?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. हाँ जी ma'am.
Just for revision कि whenever we want to write everything in capital letter, then we will press caps lock key on हमारे
Caps lock.
keypad में. और second thing is that without caps lock also we can write in capital letter. For that you have to press shift key. Shift plus whatever you want to write, just write it, so that will also
Yes.
come in capital letter. Okay, got?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ठीक है?
ma'am.
अगर जैसे मुझे यही टाइम टेबल लिखना है, अगर मैं कैप्स लॉक नहीं यूज करना चाहती हूँ तो मैं शिफ्ट की को प्रेस करके रखूंगी, एंड वॉट एवर लेटर आई एम प्रेसिंग ना, दैट विल कम इन ऑटोमेटिकली इन कैपिटल लेटर. सो आई हैव
Yes,
रिटन
ma'am.
टाइम टेबल. नाउ इफ आई वांट टू increase its size or if I want to change the font style मतलब ये जो टाइम टेबल जिसमें लिखा है, अगर मुझे इसका स्टाइल चेंज करना है, मैं इसे किसी और तरीके से लिखना चाहती हूँ, तो you will go into this formatting toolbar. Okay, what is written? Arial. So ये जो अभी टाइम टेबल लिखा है, that is an Arial font style. Now if you will select it, it is taking time. Okay, so now you can see the changes, how it is coming. From here you can change the style of your font. Got it? हमने टाइम टेबल को यहाँ से कोई भी
Yes,
स्टाइल,
ma'am.
आपको कोई भी स्टाइल चाहिए, हमने सपोज यहाँ पर लिया, we are taking which one we should take, anyone, whatever you want to take. Okay, let me take something different so it will be easily visible. Now you can see the changes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Same, ma'am.
Now listen one more
Yes,
thing.
ma'am.
If you want to increase the column width, so what you have to do, first of all you have to select that column. I have selected it, and how you have to select, you have to put your cursor and in the column heading. What is the column heading here? C. So I will click it. So what will happen? The whole column will selected. Now it's get clear कि how you can select the whole column. आपको कॉलम हेडिंग के ऊपर अपना कर्सर लाने हैं और उसको क्लिक करना है, तो ये क्या शो कर रहा है कि योर फुल कॉलम डी इज सिलेक्टेड. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ठीक है?
ma'am.
And now suppose I have selected this. Now I want to change the width. So how I can do? Now your cursor will, this arrow will converted into these two arrows. Plus sign में convert हुआ. Now you can drag
Yes,
your
ma'am.
mouse. If you want to increase it, you can drag it on right side. If you want to decrease it, you can drag it to left side. Got it? ठीक है? हमें ये बड़ा करना है, हमने ऐसा कर लिया, हमने राइट साइड में क्लिक कर लिया, और similarly if you want to decrease it, we can shift to left side with the help of your mouse. Done?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
if you want to
Yes, ma'am.
change the color, so
Yes,
again,
ma'am.
whatever you want to do with that text, first of all, you have to select that text. अगर आप टेक्स्ट को सिलेक्ट नहीं करेंगे और आप कलर में करेंगे तो कलर will not change. So first of all, you have to select the text. I have selected the text timetable. Then I will click on this. You are getting it? Agar if you have any problem now, you just put the cursor to that option. Automatically you will get to know कि this function is what font color. आ गया बात समझ में सबको? अगर आपको पता नहीं कि ये किस लिए होता है, यहाँ कर्सर लाइए and don't click it. So what is coming here in this pop-up box? Increase font size. Font size को बढ़ाने के लिए है. If you will come to this, so it will be used to decrease font size. आई बात समझ में सबको? So बेटा,
Yes, ma'am.
जैसे suppose I am changing, I am increasing the font size. Which word is selected? Timetable. When I will click it here now, so what will happen? You can see the changes. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
It is?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, if you will select it, and then if you will use this size, you can decrease it. Got it? Like this. And again, these two things you can do it from here also. We have multiple number of options there. You can see this, what is written 16 font size. So from here also you can change it. Instead of clicking this, if you want like this, from this. So I think it's clear to all. हमने दो तरीके से change किया है, from here and from these two A's. Got it? Now, suppose if I want to change the color, So what you will do, you will select it and then come to this font color option, click it. When you will click it, you will get options, which color you want. Suppose I want this. So now the color is changed. Suppose you don't like this color. Now again, you want to change it. Again, select that particular word. And then you can take more option also. More color options are also there. You can make the combination and then you can select it. Here the combination will come and then you can do it like this. So I think now it's clear to all ki how to change the font size, how to change the style. From here we are changing the style. ये किस लिए होता है ऑप्शन? आपको स्टाइल चेंज करने के लिए होता है. Is that clear to all? Students,
Yes,
are
ma'am.
not
Yes,
clear.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes.
तो बेटा यहाँ से
Yes,
from
ma'am.
this you can see the position of the cursor. Okay, this is my cursor position. From here you can change the style. Suppose मैं ये टाइम टेबल को ना कॉमिक्स बुक के स्टाइल में लिखना चाहती हूँ. So I have selected this word and I know the option. So I am directly writing here comics in. So what will happen? Now you can change. You can see the change in the style. Yes. So now the
Yes, ma'am.
style
Yes,
of
ma'am.
the font is changed into Comic Sans style. Okay. Now from here you can change the size. This function you can do directly from these two options also. If you want to increase, you will press this. If you want to decrease, you will press this. But what is the condition? If I will do this now, nothing is happening. कुछ हो रहा है, मैंने साइज कम किया, but you can see the changes? No. Why? Because whatever you want to do, first of all, you have to select the data. That means, first of all, you have to select it. And after that, you can apply these options. Now you can see it. So I think now it's clear to all. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So this thing is about how to enter data and how to change the font style, font color, and what? You can increase and decrease
Hello,
the
ma'am.
column width. Similarly, you can do it with the row also. You can see my cursor is changed into this plus sign and up and down arrow keys. Now, if I want to increase this, so I can increase the height of the row also. The same is for column also, and the same is for row also. These all are shortcuts. That these things you can do with format step-by-step process also. Okay. So I think this is clear to all.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Who is there?
Someone is waiting in lobby. Please join
Okay.
them.
Thank you, beta, for informing me.
मैम खुशहाल हियर.
हाँ, बोलो कुशाल.
मैम मेरे को पूछना था कि ये आपने जो टाइम टेबल जो लिखा है उसके अंदर 1A और 1B सेल को आपने मर्ज किया है क्या?
नहीं, अभी
Otherwise,
मर्जिंग तो
इतना बड़ा
नहीं,
लिखते हैं तो
नहीं बेटा, अभी मर्जिंग ऑप्शन में भी मैं आ रही हूँ, इसलिए मैंने आई हैव नॉट यूज मर्ज्ड ऑप्शन, है ना. अभी मैंने बोला मर्ज,
तो मैम
मर्ज भी कर. हाँ बोलो.
वो लाइन कैसे निकल गई? मतलब ए के और बी सेल के बीच में जो लाइन जो होती है ना,
हाँ वो मैं
वो
बता
इसके
देती
अंदर
हूँ
वो
अभी.
चली गई.
अभी मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. ठीक है, ठीक है. यू जस्ट लुक. हाँ, मैं आपकी प्रॉब्लम बताती हूँ. ये आप बात कर रहे हैं ना खुश? नाउ इट्स क्लियर? खुश?
यस मैम, नाउ इट्स
ठीक
क्लियर.
है. और आपका जो क्वेश्चन है ना मर्जिंग वाला, दैट आल्सो वी कैन डू. सपोज आई डोंट वांट टू चेंज द विड्थ, ये मुझे नहीं चेंज करना है, मुझे इतना ही चाहिए, लेकिन हमारा जो टाइम टेबल है वो क्या है, 2 में आ रहा है, तो वी कैन मर्ज द सेल आल्सो. हम इसको क्या कर सकते हैं, सेल को मर्ज भी कर सकते हैं मर्जिंग ऑप्शन से. ठीक है. हियर वी हैव, आई विल टेल यू, ये हमारे पास मर्ज वाला ऑप्शन है, इससे हम मर्जिंग भी कर सकते हैं, तो वो वाली प्रॉब्लम भी आपकी सॉर्ट आउट हो जाएगी. ठीक है. अभी तो फिलहाल आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस इज क्लियर. आप इस तरह से आगे पीछे कर सकते हैं. बट सपोज कि यू डोंट वांट टू चेंज दिस विड्थ और आपको ये 2 सेल मर्ज करने हैं, तो आप कैसे करेंगे? लुक हियर, दिस इज मर्ज ऑप्शन. ऑल ऑफ यू कैन सी.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. सो दिस इज द ऑप्शन मर्ज एंड सेंटर. कैन यू रीड इट? सब पढ़ सकते हैं कि मैं जूम करूं? Okay, थोड़ा सा जूम कर.
मैम रीड कर सकते हैं मर्ज एंड सेंटर.
है ना. ये मर्ज एंड सेंटर, अब मैंने इसको क्लिक किया तो व्हाट हैपन, बी एंड सी सेल्स आर मर्ज्ड. अब बी और सी सेल क्या हो गए हैं? मर्ज. तो कभी आपके पास ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है कि यू डोंट वांट ऑल दीज सेल्स कॉलम्स टुगेदर, तो यू कैन मर्ज फ्रॉम B to F, B to G, जितना भी आपको मर्ज करना है। तो अब आप इसमें यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग। सपोज आई एम राइटिंग अगेन टाइम टेबल। ओके, नाउ इट्स क्लियर टू ऑल। खुश, आपकी क्वेरी क्लियर है बेटा?
यस मैम।
ठीक है, तो दिस ऑप्शन इज नोन एज मर्ज सेल। लेकिन जो मैंने आपको अभी करके बताया था वो मैंने आई हैव इंक्रीज द विड्थ। ओके, बट यू कैन डू विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस मर्ज सेल ऑप्शन आल्सो। अगेन इफ आई वांट टू स्प्लिट इट, मुझे नहीं चाहिए मर्जिंग, मुझे वापस से वैसे ही सेल चाहिए, तो अगेन आई हैव सिलेक्टेड दैट एंड अगेन व्हाट आई विल डू, जस्ट अ मिनट, वो यहाँ से
सेंटर।
अगेन जस्ट अ मिनट, आज हम लोग क्या करेंगे, वी विल डू अबाउट हाउ टू प्रिपेयर अ टाइम टेबल। तो उसमें आपको ऑप्शन दिया है। आज तो मैं आपको, आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू एनी असाइनमेंट, लेकिन आपका असाइनमेंट दैट इज नॉट योर असाइनमेंट, दैट इज ओनली द होमवर्क यू कैन से, कि टुडे व्हाट यू पीपल हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर योर टाइम टेबल यूजिंग एक्सेल। समझ में आया कैसे प्रिपेयर करेंगे टाइम टेबल? ठीक है,
यस मैम।
ये मर्ज
Yes,
सेल
ma'am.
है और वापस से आप इसे क्लिक करेंगे तो आपका देखिए स्प्लिट हो गया है। ठीक है, मैंने ये तीनों को चारों सेल सेलेक्ट किए, आई हैव सिलेक्टेड ऑल दीज 4 सेल एंड आई हैव क्लिक मर्ज ऑप्शन। सो नाउ यू कैन सी ऑल दीज सेल्स आर मर्ज्ड। यस, but I don't want to merge it. So again, what I will do, I will click on the same option. So I
Again,
have clicked over there. So again, you
Yes,
have got it you're again in that split form. Yes. ठीक है, तो अब आपको
Yes,
जो आज वर्क करना है वो क्या करना है, आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू एनी आइडिया, यू पीपल कैन यूज योर आइडियाज, योर क्रिएटिव माइंड टू क्रिएट टाइम टेबल यूजिंग एक्सेल शीट। सो यू कैन मर्ज लाइक दिस एंड देन यू कैन राइट टाइम टेबल ऑफ जो भी आपका B.Ed first sem like this. ठीक है, and after that you can change its color, size, font, everything you will do it yourself. So now in timetable what comes, क्या लिखते हैं आप लोग, what you write?
Subject,
days.
Day and time.
Now I'm telling you one
days
more
and
feature.
subject.
Very good. Now I am telling you the feature that is known as autofill. बेटा अपने पास एक नोटपैड लेके बैठा करिए, because everything I can't write in that PPT. तो जो शॉर्टकट्स मैं आपको प्रैक्टिकली कराते वक्त बताती हूँ या बोलती हूँ, तो you just note it. Okay, so it will help you to remember. So I have written here Monday. Okay, now what you will do, next cell, what you will write? Yes, quick, give me answer.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Then in next you will write Wednesday. That means you will write all the days. But in Excel we have a feature of autofill. What we have? We have a feature of autofill. You need not to write everything.
Okay.
You have written Monday, then select that particular cell. Now when this cursor will change into this plus sign, can you see it? When this
Yes,
cursor
ma'am.
will
Yes,
change
ma'am.
into this
Yes, ma'am.
plus sign, let me zoom it, then it will be more clear. So I have selected this cell. Now this cursor is changed into plus sign. So what you will do, you will drag it down with the help of your mouse. So what will happen? Automatically the names of day will come. So that is the plus point of Excel sheet. ये आपका कितना workload आपका बचाता है काम करने से। दिखा सभी को?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, this feature is known as autofill feature of Excel. इसको हम कौन सा feature बोलते हैं?
Autofill.
Autofill. जैसे suppose I have written here 1, then I have written here 2, और मेरी क्लास में स्टूडेंट्स है 110. I want to write the roll number. Suppose I have written here roll number. Okay, now if you are working in MS Excel, so you don't have to write 3, 4, 5, 6. You can generate that number with the help of autofill features of what? With the help of autofill feature of, let me just a minute. It's taking one. Wait. Let me zoom in. Can I zoom in?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. It's not. Actually, na, this meeting icon is coming in that zooming button, so it is creating. Okay, let's. Which button I am using? कोई बता सकता है? Yes.
मैम
Any-
पहले
Yes.
मैम पहले 1 and 2 फिर 1 and 2 को पूरा सिलेक्ट
Let I'm
करके ड्रैग
telling you,
करेंगे
देखो,
तो ऑटोमेटिक
one-
फिल हो जाएगा।
हाँ नहीं वो तो होता ही है, क्योंकि मैं आपको वो बताने जा रही हूँ डिफरेंट सीरीज नंबर। आपने ना अभी सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ था
Yes.
मेरा, जस्ट अ मिनट, ये लिखा हमने 2। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट
Yes.
दीज 2 सेल्स, ठीक है। व्हेन वी विल सिलेक्ट
Yes,
दीज
yes.
2 सेल्स, और उसके बाद जब हम इसे काउंट डाउन करेंगे तो ये क्या होगा, सीरीज जनरेट हो जाएगी, ठीक है। उस वक्त जब फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई डिड ना, तो दैट सेल वाज नॉट सिलेक्टेड, ओनली वन सेल वाज सिलेक्टेड, दैट्स व्हाई इट
One
इज टेकिंग द
cell.
सेम
Yes,
सीरीज।
yes.
गॉट माय पॉइंट?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है।
Yes,
जब
ma'am.
हमने
Yes,
फर्स्ट टाइम
ma'am.
किया था तो एक ही सेल सिलेक्ट हुआ था और लिखा हमने 2 था, बट वो 1 की सीरीज जनरेट कर रहा था। सो इन दिस वे वी कैन जनरेट द रोल नंबर टिल वेरी लॉन्ग नंबर्स वी कैन टेक ना, 1 2000 lakh कितना भी हो,
Yes,
और विद इन
yes.
अ सेकंड यू कैन जनरेट द रोल नंबर। यस।
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now suppose
Yes,
if you
ma'am.
want to generate the series of even number 2, 4, so you have to write 2 numbers. ठीक है, आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि which series you want to write. So we have written these 2 series. Now what will happen? Now this cursor is changed into
Drag
plus.
करेंगे।
Now you have to drag down. You have to drag down. So what will happen? It will generate even number series. It will generate even number series.
Even
But
number.
if you
number
want to
series.
generate odd number series, then also you can do it. So what is the process? Listen carefully, don't do any mistake. You have to select both the cells. You have to select both the cells, and then you have to bring it here at the corner of this cell. When it will change into plus sign, you have to drag it down. So what will happen? The odd number series will generate. So I think this is clear to all, and this feature is known as autofill feature. इस feature को हम क्या कहते हैं बेटा? Autofill feature. Got my point?
Autofill feature.
Yes,
इसको
ma'am.
हम कहते हैं
Yes,
autofill
ma'am.
feature in MS Excel. So, and control Z for what? For undo, and control Y for redo.
Undo.
And control
Redo.
U for redo. ये सब
Redo,
लिखते
redo.
जाइए, और अब आपको ये यूज करने हैं। If you are working, then you have to work with the help of shortcut keys. तो आपको वो याद भी हो जाएंगे। Okay. So I think आज आप लोगों का जो वर्क है वो आपको क्या करना है, पहले सुन लीजिए। You have to create your timetable using Excel sheet. सभी को करना है, ऐसा नहीं है कि 1-2 स्टूडेंट्स। मैं फिर आपसे कभी भी उसका सॉफ्ट कॉपी I can take it from you. Okay. Not
Okay,
getting
ma'am.
any response.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now one more thing. Suppose from here also you can change the font style. ठीक है, ये आपका जो फॉर्मेट सेल आता है ना, बट नो नीड टू गो टू दिस स्टेप, बट यू शुड नो। हमेशा शॉर्टकट यूज करिए, लेकिन आपको प्रोसेस सारे पता होना चाहिए। हम यहाँ से डायरेक्टली इसे कर सकते हैं। वी कैन डू इट फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो। वी कैन सिलेक्ट इट and then we can use this option, format cell option, and then we can use all these, whichever font you want, whichever style you want, whatever size you want, that you can take it. Okay, so I think now you can create it. Now you can create the timetable.
Yes, ma'am.
जरूरी नहीं कि we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
merge only rows. We can merge column also, column cell also. हम ये column cells को भी merge कर सकते हैं ऐसे। जैसे अगर आपको लिखना है कि break of इतना minute, so you can merge it and you can write it like this. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
one
ma'am.
more thing. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
what I want to tell you, the most important thing is that now all of you know that how to enter data in MS Excel. Yes, but suppose
Yes.
I have
Yes,
written
ma'am.
here 20. I'm putting some numbers. Okay. Okay. Now, if I want addition of all these numbers, what I want? I want addition of all these numbers. So how you can do it? Any one of you know the name of that feature? Yes.
Sum.
Equal to
all
सम का सिंबल.
ओके गुड. सभी जो मुझे आंसर्स आए हैं कि इक्वल टू सम, दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट बिकॉज दोज हु आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इक्वल टू सम, दैट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फॉर्मूलाज. हम उसको फॉर्मूले के थ्रू कर रहे हैं. एंड
Formula.
somebody of you somebody said can directly use the symbol. So this is the symbol summation. मैथ्स बैकग्राउंड वालों को पता है दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ समेशन. ओके, तो इसके थ्रू भी हम add कर सकते हैं. What we have to do, first of all, we have to select the range from where to where we have to add. So from B, I am writing one number here also, 10. Okay, so now I am selecting this.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Students are waiting in a lobby, ma'am. Please do check.
Okay, okay. Thank you, बेटा. Actually मैं ये स्क्रीन पे आती हूँ ना, तो फिर आपकी वो वाली स्क्रीन Who is waiting? हीना, अभी ज्वाइन किया है क्या हीना आपने? हीना, can you hear me बेटा? हीना,
Yes, ma'am.
you have joined
Hello.
right now.
ना मैम, मैं कब से ज्वाइन की पर नेटवर्क इशू था ना, तो ऑटोमेटिकली कॉल ड्रॉप हो गया था.
Okay.
आप
Okay.
टाइम टेबल बनाना सिखा रहे थे ना, उसके बाद कॉल ड्रॉप हो गया.
चलो, it's okay. If you have any problem ना, तो you can ask me. ठीक है? I can understand कि हम लोगों को नेटवर्क इशू आते हैं, किसी भी उसमें हो सकता है. It's okay. But when you will prepare it ना, if you will face any problem, so you can ask. Okay?
ओके मैम. हाँ, मैं पूछ लूंगी.
Okay, now we come to so we are talking about sum. Okay, I have selected this. So for first of all, जिस भी cell का you have to find the sum, you have to select that cell and one extra cell for the total. Got my point? We want to find the sum of all these numbers. So now what you will do, you have to click this symbol. All of you can see this symbol. This symbol is known as
Yes, ma'am.
auto sum. Auto sum.
Summation.
So when you will click it, so what is the answer? 425 is the answer of this. Got it? अब मैं आपको एक सिंपल चीज बताती हूँ. मैं सिंपल नंबर रख रही हूँ ताकि you can also see it. मतलब you can also do it yourself and you can check it. And 10. Okay, now one more. Let me write. Arjun, you go from here, Bitu. Okay, now look here. Now there are three ways. We have done the sum of this. What was the answer? I didn't remember. So this was the answer.
425.
Okay. Now you want to take addition of this row. So how you will do it? Yes. How you will do it, children?
420.
Ma'am, selecting the range.
First tell me your name so I can get. Who is telling beta?
Kruti here.
Kruti
here.
Yes.
Ma'am, first of all, we have to select the entire range
Yeah.
of the
Okay.
cells जिनका हमें addition करना है.
Okay, you are right, Kruti. So Kruti is saying this thing, we have to select it and we have to select one more cell and then you have to click in sum feature as we have already done. हमने first को इसी में किया था. But here we have only you can say we have only 4 rows, isn't it? But if we have more than 1,000 or more than 50,000 rows, so then you will do like this. So it will also take time कि row wise
No
you are
ma'am, no
selecting.
ma'am.
So we have
नो
three
मैम,
process.
मैम जो
हमारे पास
टोटल
इसको
है
करने के we have
सिर्फ
three shortcuts.
425 को ड्रैग कर।
Yeah, we have three
ड्रैग
shortcuts for
करेंगे मैम।
this. What you will do? Now what you will do?
चल है मैम, उसको
You
ड्रैग
will
करेंगे।
select this, है ना? The total column we have selected.
Yeah,
Now
yes
what
ma'am.
will you will do? कि this sign will change into plus sign. When your cursor will change into plus sign, you will drag it down. So what will happen? Automatically it will give you the sum of all this. So it's very easy or
Yes.
interesting also, isn't it? It's easy and interesting.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Instead
ma'am.
instead of selecting each row yes, instead of selecting each row again and again, if we have data of more than 50,000, then it will be time consuming if you will select each and every row. This is the second way. And third way is what? Any one of you? Yes. Third way कौन बताएगा? I am telling you all the shortcuts ताकि आप एक perfect मतलब Excel sheet में you will become perfect.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Yes,
May
beta.
I ma'am?
Yes, please tell your name.
हमारा अंकित,
Ankit, yes. Please, Ankit.
वो फॉर्मूला बार है, उसमें हम कमांड रन करेंगे इक्वल टू सम इनटू ब्रैकेट और जो सेल्स है उनका एड्रेस लिखेंगे, जो बाउंड्री सेल्स है उनका।
हाँ, उससे भी एक शॉर्टकट मेथड में बताऊं आपको. That is good, very good.
Select
we can directly write. One more is there. You just select all the rows जो भी आपके हैं ना, उसको select करके आप यहाँ पर click करेंगे तो what will happen? You got
एक
the?
साथ हो जाएगा सब,
Sum of
है
all
ना?
the
तो
rows.
आपको
हाँ.
उसमें भी आपको क्या करना पड़ रहा था? फर्स्ट सेल को you have to drag it. That is also shortcut and that is also not time consuming. But I just want to tell you that this is also another method to find the sum. Okay, in which
Yes, ma'am.
okay, it's clear, beta. So these all these are
Yes,
the
ma'am.
methods to find out the sum. What that depends on you कि you can do it with that also. Sum अभी मैं आपके पास formulas में इसलिए नहीं आ रही हूँ because first I will tell you all the things, basic things in Excel, and then we will come to formula. So the same thing we can do with the help of formula also. Here we can write, and remember one thing, that in Excel every formula will start with equal to sign. Every formula will start with equal to sign. हम जब भी कोई भी formula use करते हैं, that should start with equal sign. That is the first and most important condition while using formulas in Excel. Okay. So I think it's clear to all.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is known as auto sum
Yes.
feature.
Yes, ma'am.
This is known as auto sum feature. ऐसा नहीं कि we can do it only horizontally. We can do it vertically also. If you want to find the sum of these series, then also you can do. If you want to find the sum of these series, you can also do. Okay. So yes, who is there?
Mariam here. I had a question. वर्टिकली एंड हॉरिजॉन्टली एक साथ दोनों में एडिशन हो सकता है? जैसे 425, 110, 300 लिखा है, अगर आप पूरा सेल सिलेक्ट करो, एक हॉरिजॉन्टली इंक्रीज करो रो और एक वर्टिकली रो इंक्रीज करो, तो दोनों में एक साथ एडिशन हो जाएगा एक साथ?
हाँ, हो जाएगा ना, आप एडिशन कर सकते हैं ना. वही तो व्हाट आई वांट टू डू कि यू पीपल, जैसे आपके माइंड में क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं तो यू जस्ट डू ट्रायल एंड एरर योरसेल्फ, है ना? ठीक है. हु इज देयर? क्या नेम था बेटा?
मरियम.
Maria, you just try it yourself first. करके देखो. जब तक आप एक्सेल में शीट में करेंगे नहीं, you have to do lot of trials method. Okay, then you will get to know कि how we can get in another form and how we can do it. Okay, so you will do this yourself. करना एक बार आप उसको शीट में लिख के and then you find it. You are saying कि if you will add one row here for numbers, that is your question, na?
No, ma'am. If I am selecting 10, 20, 36, all the from A to H and 1 to 6, 1 to 5. Yes, 1 to 5. तो साथ में ही I column और 6, मतलब I column and 6th row साथ में एडिशन हो, उनका दिख जाएगा एक साथ ही?
हाँ, दिखेगा ना. आप मुझे, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग योर क्वेश्चन क्लियरली कि व्हाट आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ, दैट इज योर क्वेश्चन ना, कि आई एम राइटिंग, सपोज आई एम एडिंग वन मोर रो.
No, ma'am. She wants the sum of 6th row and I column, the whole part.
That
Ma'am,
also. Yeah.
may I, ma'am?
Okay, I got your question that you want to add this one, na? This, suppose I am writing here one more. Let me write it. Suppose I have written 11. I got your point now. 30, 36, any number. Now, this one, this thing you want, na? Automatically it is coming. You are not writing. Okay. You have written the number here itself, the addition will
ma'am.
come.
Hello, ma'am. I think she is asking that can we do the sum columns and row both at the same time?
Together.
Together, ma'am.
दोनों एक साथ हो सकता है कि नहीं ऐसा बोल रहे
She want the total of each column and row, ma'am. She want the total of each one. Say for example, A is
this is the listen beta. This thing is what? This is the total of row. Got it? ये क्या है हमारा first वाला answer 425. This is the sum of row. Got it? And now this is the sum of what? This is the sum of column.
नहीं मैम डायरेक्टली हो सकता है क्या? ये हम साइमल्टेनियस कर रहे हैं, तो अगर डायरेक्टली करना हो
we can do it now. We can do it.
Ma'am.
Let me delete this. And we have more options. अभी तो मैंने आपको सिंपल एक एडिशन सीरीज बताया. अभी हमारे पास बहुत सारे डिफरेंट वेज हैं जिसके थ्रू हम थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वर्क करेंगे. अभी मैंने कॉम्प्लिकेटेड से नहीं स्टार्ट करवाया आपको. आई बात समझ में? So this is what?
column total
है ना? And this is what? एक सेकंड में तो किया ना? This is what?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? आप इसको हाईलाइट करके बोल्ड कर दो. एंड हाउ यू विल बोल्ड का शॉर्टकट क्या होता है? बोल्ड मतलब पता है आपको? इफ यू वांट टू हाईलाइट सम टेक्स्ट, इफ यू वांट टू, मारिया आपका क्वेश्चन क्लियर है आपको? हाँ. इफ यू वांट टू हाईलाइट द टेक्स्ट, सो देखो आई हैव सिलेक्टेड दिस. नाउ द शॉर्टकट की फर्स्ट आई एम टेलिंग यू प्रेस कंट्रोल बी. नाउ यू कैन सी द चेंजेस. यस
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am
है ना? Now, if I want to bold it, bold means the data, whatever data you want to highlight. So here it is written B. Can you see my cursor? Here it is written B.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to click it. So what will happen? The data will come in bold letter. Got my point? ये data किस पे आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
This is what I will do. I have used shortcut की Control plus B. अब मुझे इसे italic करना है, थोड़ा सा bend करना है, तो I will use Control I. मैंने आपके option से use नहीं किया, वो select हुआ. If you want to underline your sum, Control U. I am using all shortcut keys. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So all these things are for bold, italic and underline. अब आप फटाफट अपने notepad में you just write it because all these functions will remain same in Word and PowerPoint. So Control B, Control I and Control U. You can do your data like this. देखो अभी हमने shortcut की से किया था. अब I am using now these with the help of cursor. So I think this is clear to all. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Someone is waiting in lobby.
Who is waiting now? The time is already 10 minutes. Shiba and Viraj. Time to 10 minutes ऊपर हो गया आपका class से. Okay, now students listen to me. So what is your work for today? That what you will do? You will prepare your class timetable. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
okay ma'am
Okay, so what is your work for today? That जितने भी हमने features आज use किए हैं, पहले तो एक demo file करके you just used all that features and at least 2-3 times, and after that prepare your class timetable. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you all. Revise your work daily ka and try to use shortcut keys. Okay. Okay. Thank you all, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you,
nice
ma'am.
day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you ma'am
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.